Good day, everyone. So today we're in Kumasi, where we are currently undertaking some refurbishment work on a one-bedroom apartment. So there's still work ongoing, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So currently for the staircase, we finished laying the tiles and we're installing the balustrades. So the balustrades are going in now. So this is one of them, which is being installed. As we go along, you see that the top bit has been done. So he's picking the leveling for the balustrade. This one over here, we finished the installation. So I'm just going to give you a close-up look of how it looks like. So it's yet to be fully fitted, but just to give you an idea of the work that's currently ongoing. So we're just going to enter into the apartment. So what we've done so far is that we've done the tiling for the entire apartment. So this is the floor tiles that we used for the living room. So we just walked into the living room. So we just finished tiling the floors. Fitted the switches. And we're currently doing the enduit on the walls. So we're skimming the walls, carrying out the enduit works. We fitted the spotlight and the POP ceiling has been done. So just to give you a close-up look of the finished work. So, lovely POP design. So we've got a small dining area over here. You notice we also carried out skirting. Now we're entering into the bedroom. So it's a one-bedroom apartment. So this is the bedroom. The tiling work has been done. These are the floor tiles that were chosen for the bedroom. So it's an ensuite bedroom. So now we're going to the bathroom. We are yet to fit in the units, but this is the floor tiles for the bathroom, the ensuite bathroom. This is the wall tile that was chosen for the bathroom. is the door that we got for the bathroom as well. So essentially the wash hand basin will be here, the WC will be here, and the standing shower will be placed right here. So this is the floor tile. It's a bit dusty, but still got some tidying up to do. So just going to show you the ceiling, the POP work's done on the ceiling in the bedroom. So we've got our spotlights, POP in place. We've also done the air conditioning. We've installed the pipe work for the air conditioning, so that's it over there. So the AC unit will be placed once the walls are skimmed and the undoing is completed. So I'm walking back to the living room. So now we're entering into the kitchen. What will be our kitchen? So we've done the tiling for the kitchen. That's our standing shower, which will be going in, and that's the base for the shower. So let me just come back a bit so you can see the tiling for the kitchen. So we're yet to tile the walls of the kitchen. That's quite a sizable kitchen. So we're going to tile the walls. You have your sink over here. And then we're going back again to the corridor. The living area. So there's a double entrance. So there's one entrance here to the apartment. And then there's a separate entrance on this side that takes you to the kitchen. So I'm just going to walk out. So these are the steps that has been newly tiled. Obviously there's still work going on with the balustrades, so I'm sure you can get an idea of how the tile looks like. The balustrades going in now. So this is our one bedroom apartment. Let me capture the open atrium for the staircase. So once again you can see the spotlights, the POP design, the chandelier, really beautiful. So thank you guys for watching our video. It's been really lovely in Kumasi, and I'd like to thank you all for following our channel, for your comments, and we appreciate every one of you. If you enjoyed this video, kindly share it with a friend. Do subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have anything to say.